Hello, my name is Haryanto. Today I will explore about what is business. What is business? Business can be described as an organization or enterprising entity that engages in professional, commercial, or industrial activities. They can be different types of businesses depending on various factors. Some are profit while some are non-profit. Similar, the ownership also make them different each other. For instance, there are sole proprietorship, partnership, corporation, and more. Business is also the effort and activities of a person who is producing goods or offering service with the intent to sell them for profit. Business's definition: businesses refers to an enterprising entity or organization that carries help professional activities. They can be commercial, industrial, or others. For-profit business entities do business to earn a profit, while non-profit ones do it for a charitable mission. Business ownership includes partnership, sole proprietorship, corporation, and etc. Business can be small scale or large. Some of the biggest businesses in the world are Amazon and Walmart. Type business is various businesses are organized for some type of hierarchy or bureaucracy. In the business, the position have customer, role and responsibility. As the business definition, we see that different type of business are sole proprietorship. In this kind business, a single person owns and operates the business. There is any kind of legal separation between the owner and business. Thus, the owners of legal plus tax liability is on the owner. Partnership, as the name suggests, it is a business where two or more people run it together. The partner is bringing resources and money, and then the shares in the profit or loss are divided amongst them. Corporation, in this business, a group of individuals act together as a single entity. The owners in this business are called shareholders. They discuss their views on the common stock of the corporation. They are unfavorable taxation rules in a corporation for the business owners. Limited liability company, it is not as old as the other business structure. It partnership past tax benefits and corporation limited liability benefits. Different size in business. Small business, there are different size of business. Small businesses is a company is small, owner and individual or small group operate. For example, family restaurants, clothing companies, home-based companies, and publishing companies. In this type of business, the profits are not that high, but just enough to continue the business operation. Mid-sized business, these businesses break in millions of dollars in its revenue. Usually, it ranges from $50 million to $1 billion. They're established better than a small business. The employee-based business from range 100 to 199 people. For example, Color Bar Cosmetic is a mid-sized business. Large business, this kind of business usually operates as a corporation, as an employee base of 1,000 plus people, and its revenue production is more than $1 billion. Usually, these businesses issue corporate stock to finance their operation. Thus, it is publicly traded. It must report and curtain thinks and operates the opposite of a small business, where operations are independent of regulators. Amazon and Walmart are examples of large businesses. Business industry. These different industries in which businesses operate. A certain company can define its business by the particular there are industries. For instance, of real estate, agriculture, advertising, banking, and more in which businesses exist. It is because often the term business interchanges with the daily operation and the total formation of the company. We can use this term for indicating transaction concerning an underlying service or product. Example of business. Different businesses in the world offer a variety of services and products. The most successful ones include Amazon, the largest online retailer. Amazon sells a wide variety of products on its e-commerce platform. It began online bookseller and captured almost every category of retail. It also offers cloud computing services, movie and show streaming platforms, and subscription products. Apple, it is a renowned company famous for its innovative electronic products. They sell personal computer, smartphone, earphone, watch and laptop. Similarly, they also provide various services like music and video streaming and production services. Walmart being of the most successful retailers globally. Walmart is a multinational corporation that runs a chain of hypermarkets offering a wide variety of products ranging from family apparel to housewares. It is present more than 24 close countries and has 1.7 million employees worldwide. What to do before starting a business? We need to take various steps before starting a business. One must conduct market research first and then develop a business plan. The next step must be the seed capital or other funding. In select a location and business structure. It is also important to pick the right name, complete the registration process, and get the tax documents and essential permits. Is a must before starting a business. Online business is different from a traditional business. To design your website after your market research, business plan development, and paperwork formalities. After that, start finding ways to build up your target market and engage your audience with social media platforms. What is business plan? Business plans help run your business and secure the fund needed to start the operations. There are two ways: traditional business plan or lean business plan. The former is follow-up detail, like the company's summary plan for success, part of information sales projection. The latter one of detail but necessary, of detailed information like details of the partnership, cost structure, revenue stream, and more. How get the business loan? First, decided your type loan business needs and then choose a way. You look at it. Your opinion traditional lending on government, back loan or more. Make a business plan, present to the lender, and show your credit score is good. Having collateral will also help in securing a loan. Disclaimer: this content is offered by an external agency. The views last entities and do not represent the views of Economic Times, ACTI. ACTI does not guarantee votes for or endorse any of its contents, not is responsible for them in any manner whatsoever. Please take all steps necessary to ascertain that any information content provided is correct, updated, and verified. It by disclaims and any and all warranties expressed or implied relating to the report in any content they are in. Okay, thank you very much.